Are your Google Slides looking a little off on screen or print? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your slide size in Google Slides step by step so your presentations always look perfect. First, open your Google Slides presentation. Up at the top menu, click on File, then scroll down and select Page Setup. Here, you'll see some preset options like standard 4:3 or widescreen 16:9, which are perfect for most presentations. Just click the one that fits your needs. But what if you want something custom? No problem. Click on Custom and you can type in your desired dimensions in inches, centimeters, points, or even pixels. This is perfect for creating slides for posters, printouts, or unique screen sizes. Once you've entered your dimensions, just hit Apply. And just like that, your slides adjust to your new size. Everything in your presentation will scale accordingly, giving you a professional look without the hassle. And that's all there is to it. Changing your slide size in Google Slides is that simple, whether you're going wide, standard, or completely custom. Try it out, and your presentations will look sharper and more polished than ever.